Magnetfishing. Team Kratos, baby.
Hello, you lovely lot. I am back at the scene of the crime. I'm back in the saddle again. I'm back. Actually, I'm here by myself today. Shannon has gone on her normal Saturday trips to her aunt's house, and I'm going solo today. Flying solo with Kingfish? No, that's Stewart. Going solo with Real Deal. We're just real. Actually, now I'm by myself, and I'm going to go out here and see if I can't find the rest of that Winchester rifle that it turns out that lever action was from. We originally thought it was blacksmith tongs, but Grant Osborne from Finders Keepers messaged me and said no, he believes it's a lever action from Winchester. Then I did some research, and it is. That's what it is. So luckily I did not throw it away. I still have it. It's in the back of the car. I've got to get it cleaned up, but we're going to see if we can find if anything is left of it. I'm going to go over there where that tree is hanging up, right over the creek right there. Right there. I don't know if you can see right there or not. The sun is blaring in my eyes. I can't see what I'm looking at actually. But I'm going to get over there and see what we can find. Yes, I got a chunk knocked out of my kratos, as you may have seen. But we're going to carry on like it's the same until I get some resin to put on it, and thanks to Nigel, he told me that would work, and that's what I'm going to use. Luckily there's no cracks I don't see anywhere, but I got a big ding over here and that big chunk knocked out right there. So, but it still works. It's still a magnet. It still does its job. So I will get back to you once I get over there and start finding some stuff.
We're back over here at Elmo Head on the other side. And I just got over here on this bank to where I'm going to be sitting. And I dragged my magnet the whole way. It looks like I have a great big bolt. And a door thingy. And a bunch of mucky muck that's really, really heavy. I'm going to get all this off and get back on it.
Okay, y'all. My first find is a doorknob. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed, and give me just a second and I'll see if I can't pull it off here for you to get a better look at it. One-handed with a camera and a magnet, a Titan magnet that don't want to let go. Got it. A doorknob. Well, how about that? I'll be taking that home because Shannon collects doorknobs as well. We collect everything out, although everything goes home with us. It's just I'll make sure this doesn't go in the scrap. But yeah, first cast, a doorknob. Cool. Let's see what.
Well, pulling all that off, I just found oh no, don't fall over. Button Mankey on this side, but fresh as fresh can be on this side. Isn't that weird? Never seen it before. Very nice.
All right, everybody. I just came back to the bank, change out buckets because it's kind of heavy carrying a scrap bucket on the walker. I'm gonna walk out over there and try. Wasn't doing much over here like I thought I might. Only thing I got was a doorknob, so I'm gonna head up this way a little ways and see what I can get into up there. Maybe be interesting because it ain't never been fished up there before, so might be something there. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, I will get back to you un momento.
Alrighty, just pulled my magnet back in, and sorry Stuart, it's not a poon, but it's a fork, and just a bunch of muckety muck muck muck. Looks like some kind of old corrugated or maybe even a license plate, I don't know, I can't tell. And the rest of it's just garbage, but we have a fork.
Well, I made my way over here from over there. I was over there. Then I came back over here to get a drink and take my scrap and put it up there. And I walked over here thinking that it was not going to be deep at all. But I got to a couple spots that was up over my knees, so I got water in my boots. So I stopped right here because I didn't know how. I can't see the bottom on this water over here, so I thought I better stop right here. And my first cast here, let me just say, you're not magnet fishing over here until you get a long piece of pipe. Well, this is conduit. Pipe, conduit, whatever you want to call it. That's how you know you're magnet fishing in Kentucky. Get back to you when I find something else.
Alright, under all that stuff, there is here is a watch wonder. So it just goes to tell me there was or is a watch in here somewhere. Well, there it is.
All right, everybody. Well, I was way out over there, and I couldn't really do any filming over there because the water was too deep, and I was afraid to pull the camera out. I thought I might drop it or something. But I didn't really find anything. I found, I have no idea what this might be. But it came up on the magnet. There's metal in this part right here. No idea what it could be, just a hunk of junk, but I thought I'd show it to you. Found a big stabby. Don't know what that is, but it's got a big point on the end of it. Very sharpy. Another piece of pipe. Unclear what it might be. This thing, I'm not sure about it either. It's a little bit heavy. At first I thought it was barrels to a shotgun, but it's not. Then of course I got that doorknob I showed you earlier. It's really cool because it's old, man. This is an old doorknob. It's got some I don't know what you call them. It's where it's protruding out. It's got a design or something on it, but it's iron. I think it's kind of cool. Shannon will like it. Then I got this. I have no idea what this is. Possibly wheels to a toy. I'm just not real sure. If anybody, it's got holes going all the way around the ends of it on both sides. Can't really see them, but there are holes going through it on both sides. Anybody knows what that is, let me know. And I'm not sure if this is filming okay for you. I hit video resolution for some reason, and this is a different resolution, so I hope it turns out okay. We'll see in the end. But I'm gonna go see what time it is, and if I got enough time, I'm going to go to the bridge up here and see what's going on up there. If I got enough time. If not, I'll see you the next time.
Okay, somebody told me what these were once before. I cannot remember what they are. It looks like a key, but it's not a key. Are these the start of spam keys? I do not know. It's like there's nothing on the side, you know, it's only half of a whatever. I don't know. I think Jeff Jackson knows. Hey Jeff, if you can tell me again, I'll do my best to remember.
Okay, everybody. Day 3 of fishing Elmo Head. That's where we come down at, and as you can see, we're way far away from that. We came walking all the way up here and across. Then Shannon is way over there, and I'm right here. Here I is. I found some stuff on the way out over to here. I'm going to try to do this without dropping anything in the water, so please bear with me. Oh, sorry about that. Let me get this up. Vape number 1. Glad to get that out of the water. Some kind of berry flavored vape. Vape number 2. This is also a berry one. It's called berry chill. Got my bag in the water. Hang on one second, guys, I'm trying. This is a old school mason jar lid, or the top thing that goes between the lid and the jar. I'm trying to clean it off. So it's got some writing on it. I'm trying to see what it says here. Mason jar, genuine. Cap. It's got Boyd's cap or something like that. Anyway, this is old school, man. I got a bee trying to attack me over here. I got a old school deodorant jar. I mean, this is old school. It's the kind where you dip your finger in it and put the deodorant on. Yeah, one of those 39-cent antiperspirant jars is what Shannon said. So this is like the, what, 3rd or 4th one we got? Yeah, I believe it was right. We believe it's Aired's deodorant from like was it like the 30s or 40s? From like between 1930 and 40, we believe. Pretty sure about that. We've got, like I said, we got 4 or 5. I'm sorry? And last but not least, I believe this is a wagon wheel. It's pretty heavy. There's where the axle would go in. It's pretty heavy, very, very old. No telling how old that is. But yeah, all this was found on the way over to here. Anyway, I'm going to start throwing. I know my magnet is covered because I drug it from the concrete staging area over there all the way out to here, so I've got to pull it in and see what I got. Alrighty, everybody. This time around on the magnet, I got this weird hook with a, I'm not sure what that is, some type of hook with a bracket on it. Kind of strange. Not sure what it would be. And I got a hammerhead. A hammerhead. It was buried deep. But yeah, that's an old one. Kind of like it under here. It's shady and quiet except for the echo and the car noise. We got somebody over there fishing right now. But yeah, we are in a different spot than we have ever been before, so we're going to stay here for a little bit and just keep on trying to find something. We'll get back to you in a little bit, guys. All right, you all. I don't know if you can see that real well. It is a projectile from what an AR-15 would shoot. So it's a 5.56 or 223 projectile, which is cool, but I'm just curious as to why the projectile by itself is in the water and it's not been mashed or hit against anything. It's just a projectile. It looks like somebody taking the projectile out and tossed it. I don't know. Strange, strange, strange. But cool nonetheless. We like the little stuff.